I am here with Jenni from Landscapers Pride.
Hi, Sandy.
Hi, thanks for being here. We are going to talk about premium potting mixes.
Absolutely. I've got two great ones here to show you. Let's start with Landscapers Pride Premium Potting Mix.
Nice.
This is a perfect soil built for indoor house plants, container plants, patio plants, any new flowering type plant that is going to be in the container for a short or extended amount of time. This is the perfect soil, everything that you need to get started. It's got a slow release fertilizer. It's got perlite in it.
Nice.
Very soft and airy. It's you can't go wrong.
Great. So for containers.
Yes.
Wonderful. You can just feel the moisture in there.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. And then we've got a fun one, your pot dirt.
Yes, pot dirt. This is a lot of fun. These are both super soils that function very well for container plants. The great thing about pot dirt, it's OMRI certified organic. So any of your organic growers, this will work perfect for them. It really is a super soil. It's got water-soluble humic acid. It's got mineral sand. It's got organic fertilizer in it. It is built to feed those plants. Fun fact about pot dirt.
Yes.
It was developed by a landscaper in the Houston market.
Yay.
Seasonal color changes, fast-growing, rapid color plants.
That's great. So that's what I put around my landscaping then.
Yep. Whether you're doing a container garden, indoor potted plants, or seasonal color changes in landscape, it's perfect.
That's great. Beautiful products. Thank you, Jenni, for being here
Thanks,
from
Sandy.
Landscapers Pride. And thank you for joining us at HomeShowGardenPros.com and visit us on YouTube.